This is burl. This occurs whenever a tree gets injured and it sends all of its sap down to fix it. And then you end up with big blobby pieces of wood just like this. Now I got this piece from a pine tree, but this stuff grows on all different types of wood. So in this video, we're gonna be making a salt cell out of this little piece of burl. First thing we need to do is just cut it down and make a square block out of it. Well. You can probably see what I'm talking about, how pretty this wood is. Now we'll flatten all the sides and make everything square with a belt sander. While I'm sanding this piece of burl down, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button because we're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. And while you're down there, comment below what videos I should make next. All right, let's get back to the build. Now we got this shape down to a pretty good rectangle. And I'm just gonna use a small chisel and just scrape away all of that loose bark. And by the way, it's been like a month since I've actually picked this out of a tree, so I think it's had plenty of time to dry out. All right, now that we got most of the bark off, or the loose stuff at least, I'm gonna cut the lid off. So we're gonna pull up about an inch maybe. Now we'll cut that out with a bandsaw. Look at that wood. That is so cool. We'll do a little bit more cleaning up with the chisel. Now we're gonna make a place to put the salt. And all we're gonna do is just take a 1 1/4 inch Forstner bit, go 1, 2, that's all we're gonna do. And we'll go down probably about 3/4 of an inch. Well, that made a mess. Then we'll get a 1 inch chisel, and then I'm gonna chisel out the middle section that joins the two holes. Now before we sand all this, we need to figure out how we're gonna make this pivot over. So we just gotta drill a hole right here in the middle, and right over here. I'm just gonna use a little peg just like this. My $2 Amazon saw finally bit the dust, but it still works. I say that works pretty good. And I got some 150 I'll give it a massage with. Well, there we go, guys. You can also make these out of 2x4s, any type of wood you want, literally any. If you like this video, you might want to check out my woodworking playlist, which I have over 100 videos on. I'll put that right here. If you want to subscribe, I'll put that right here. I hope you're inspired by this video to go out in your shop and make some sawdust. Again, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all next time.